ইয়াতে যাবে ইউটিউবে তিনটে যে দাগ আছে ওখানে কি ইউর ভিডিওসে যাবি ইউর ভিডিওসে গিয়ে এদিকে লাইভ আছে লাইভে যাবি এদিকে এসে দেখছে এটা ক্লিক করবি এখান থেকে কপি করবি এখানে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে যাবি এখানে গিয়ে আইসিএম ভিডিওটা আমাদের প্রাইভেট ফ্রেন্ডসে তো এখানে গিয়ে সেন্ড করে দিবি কি দিয়ে না বলে চলে ঠিক আছে গেল এবার ওবিএস স্টুডিও খুলে দিই তাকে ঘুরিয়ে দে মাইক্রোফোন স্টার্ট করে দিতে আমার আরো 5 মিনিট আগে বেরিয়ে যাওয়ার কথা ছিল এবার আমি যদি বেরিয়ে যেতাম তাহলে কি হতো সাপ নতুন জিজ্ঞেস করো কতদিন আগে জয়েন করেছি জানে এগুলো চলো
গুড আফটারনুন এভরিওয়ান। তো আজকে আমরা নর্থ ইস্ট জিকে, লাস্ট ক্লাসে আমরা আসামের আসামের স্ট্যাটিক জিকে নিয়ে ডিসকাশন করছিলাম, সেটাই আজকে আবার কন্টিনিউ করা হবে। নর্থ ইস্ট জিকে আসাম। আচ্ছা, প্রথম কোয়েশ্চেন, মানাস ন্যাশনাল পার্ক ইজ এ ইউনেস্কো ওয়ার্ল্ড হেরিটেজ সাইট বিকজ অফ মানাস মানস ন্যাশনাল পার্ক মানস ন্যাশনাল পার্ক is located Manas National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Manas National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Heritage Site because of Manas National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. Because of biodiversity, because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. Because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. So Manas National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. And Manas National Park is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in which year? This question is also important. Manas National Park is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in which year? In the year 1985. In the year 1985. So in the year 1985, Manas National Park is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So So Manas National Park is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985, and it is why it is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. Because of biodiversity and tiger reserve, it is declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So another important question is that Manas National Park is located in which district of, in which state? The question is comes that Manas National Park is located in which state of India? Manas National Park is located in which state of India? It is in Assam. And another question it is located in which district of Assam? It is located in which district of Assam? It is Chirang and Baksar district. Located in Chirang and Baksar district. Chirang and Baksa. Chirang and Baksa district. Chirang and Baksa district, where it is Bodoland territorial region of Bodoland territorial region of Assam. Chirang and Baksar district of Bodoland territorial region of Assam. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, Nameri National Park is located in which district? 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 It is located in Sonitpur district. Sonitpur district of Assam. Sonitpur district of Assam. So Nameri National Park is located in which district? It is located in Sonitpur district of Assam. It is located in Sonitpur district of Assam. Which national park is also a tiger reserve? Which national park is also a tiger reserve? Which national park is also a tiger reserve? That is Nameri and Manas National Park. Nameri and Manas. Nameri and Manas National Park. So Manas National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of biodiversity and tiger reserve. And which national park is also a tiger reserve? That is Nameri and Manas National Park. Nameri and Manas National Park. Next question is, which river flows through Orang National Park? Which river flows through Orang? Which river flows through Orang National Park? So which river flows through Orang National Park? That is Brahmaputra river. This Brahmaputra river? Brahmaputra river. So which river flows through Orang National Park? That is Brahmaputra river. So in the previous class we have discussed that which river flows through Manas National Park? That is Manas river. So the name of the national park is based on the river Manas. Manas river flows through Manas National Park. That is another is which river flows through Orang National Park? That is Brahmaputra river. And another important thing is that Orang National Park is also known as Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. And Orang National Park is also known as the Mini Kaziranga. Mini Kaziranga. Orang National Park is also known as Mini Kaziranga. So, Mini Kaziranga, Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. So, these also are known as or located in Assam. Now, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Which national park in Assam? Which national park in Assam? Which national park in Assam is known for river dolphins? Is known for river dolphins. Which national park in Assam is known for river dolphins? Which national park in Assam is known for river dolphins? That is Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is known for river dolphins. That is, which national park in Assam is known for river dolphins? That is Dibru Saikhowa National Park. So Dibru Saikhowa National Park is known for river dolphins. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is known for river dolphins. Next question is, which national park is located near the Bhutan border? Which national park is located near the Bhutan border? Which national park is located near the Bhutan border? Which national park is located near the Bhutan border? That is Manas and Raimona National Park. Manas and Raimona National Park. Manas and Raimona National Park. So which national park is located near the Bhutan border? That is Manas and Raimona National Park. Next question is question number 7. The latest edition to Assam's National Park. The latest addition to Assam's National Park. The latest addition to Assam's national parks in 2021. In 2021 includes the latest addition to Assam's national parks in 2021 includes the latest addition to Assam's national parks in 2021 includes Raimona and Dehing Patkai. It is Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. So the latest addition to Assam's National Park in 2021 includes Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. So Raimona is the 105th National Park of India. Raimona is the 105th National Park of India and Dehing Patkai is the 106th National Park of India. So the latest addition to Assam's National Park in 2021 includes, that is, Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. Raimona is the 105th National Park of India and Dehing Patkai is the 106th National Park of India. So the question may also come there, presently there are how many national parks are there in India? Presently there are how many national parks are there in India? Presently there are how many national parks are there in India? So presently there are 107th total national parks in India. Total national parks in India, it is 107. So name the latest recent national park of India. It is 107th national park is Simlipal National Park. Simlipal National Park, and it is located in Odisha. Simlipal National Park, and it is located in Odisha. So the latest addition to Assam's National Park in 2021 includes Raimona and Dehing Patkai National Park. And Raimona and Dehing Patkai is the 105th and 106th National Park of India. So recently the national park that is included, it is Simlipal National Park, and Simlipal National Park is located in which state? It is in Odisha, and it is the 107th National Park of India. Next question is the Dehing Patkai National Park The Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for. The Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for. The Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for. The Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for rainforest. The Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for rainforest. Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for what? For rainforest. And the Dehing Patkai National Park is also known as the, what is the nickname of Dehing Patkai National Park? It is also known as Amazon of the East. Amazon of the East. Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East. Amazon of the East. Amazon of the East. So the question may also come that which national park is known as the Amazon of the East? Which national park is known as the Amazon of the East? That is Dehing Patkai National Park. Which national park is known as Amazon of the East? That is Dehing Patkai National Park. So Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East, and Dehing Patkai National Park is famous for rainforest. And Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East. Now let's go to the next question. How many national parks? How many national parks How many national parks are there in Assam? How many national parks are there in Assam as of 2024? As of 2024. So, how many national parks are there in Assam as of 2024? That is, there are total 8 national parks in Assam. There are total is 8 national parks are there in Assam as of 2024. There are total 8 national parks are there in Assam till now, till present. So today we'll discuss the name of the national parks, the 8 national parks of Assam. List of national parks. List of national parks in Assam. List of national parks in Assam. First one is Kaziranga. Kaziranga National Park. Second one is Manas National Park. Third one is Orang National Park. Fourth one is Orang National Park. Fourth one is Nameri National Park. Fifth one is Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Fifth one is list of national parks in Assam: Kaziranga, Manas, Orang, Nameri, Dibru, Saikhowa. Sixth one is Sikna Jwalao National Park. Sikna Jwalao. Sikna Jwalao National Park. Seventh one is Raimona National Park. And the last one is Dehing Patkai National Park. Dehing Patkai National Park. So these are the total 8 national parks of Assam. These are the total 8 national parks of Assam. Kaziranga, Manas, Orang, Nameri, Dibru Saikhowa, Sikna Jwalao, Raimona, and Dehing Patkai National Park. These are all located in Assam. So out of these 8 national parks, Kaziranga and Manas, out of these 8 national parks, Kaziranga and Manas has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So out of these 8 national parks, Kaziranga and Manas has been declared as the Kaziranga and Manas National Park has been declared as the what? UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And it is declared in which year? In the year 1985. So first one is Kaziranga and another is Manas National Park has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985. In the year 1985. So Orang National Park, what have we studied? Orang National Park is known as the mini Kaziranga. Orang National Park is known as mini Kaziranga. And Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East. Dehing Patkai is known as the Amazon of the East. Orang National Park is known as the mini Kaziranga. And Orang National Park is also known as Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Its full name is Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. And Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East. Amazon of the East. And Sikna Jwala National Park. Sikna Jwala National Park. It serves as the ecological corridor. Ecological corridor ecological corridor bridging Manas ecological corridor bridging Manas and Raimona National Park. Manas and Raimona National Park. So, Sikna Jwala National Park is served as the vital ecological corridor bridging between Manas and Raimona National Park. And what we have studied in the previous question, that Manas and Raimona National Park is located in the India and Bhutan border, Assam and Bhutan border. The which two national parks are located in the border of near the border of Bhutan? Which two national parks are located near the border of Bhutan? That is Manas and Raimona National Park. Which two national parks are located near the border of Bhutan? That is Manas and Raimona National Park. So, and Sikna Jwala National Park is act as the vital ecological corridor bridging between Manas and Raimona National Park. So these are the important national parks of Assam. So Kaziranga and Manas National Park has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985. Sikna Jwala National Park acts as the vital ecological corridor bridging between Manas and Raimona National Park. And Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East. Dehing Patkai National Park is known as the Amazon of the East, and Orang National Park is also known as Mini Kaziranga. Orang National Park is known as Mini Kaziranga. Question number 10. That is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park was declared as World Heritage Site in which year? That this question has been asked in the previous year question. That is, Kaziranga National Park was declared as the World Heritage Site. Kaziranga National Park was declared as the World Heritage Site in which year? In which year? Kaziranga National Park was declared as the World Heritage Site in which year? It is in the year 1985. In the year 1985. Next question, question number 11. Raimona National Park lies in which district? Raimona National Park. Raimona National Park lies in which district? Lies in which district? Raimona National Park lies in which district? That is Kokrajhar. It is Kokrajhar. Kokrajhar in Bodoland Territorial Region. Bodoland Territorial Region. Bodoland Territorial Region. So Raimona National Park lies in which district of Assam? It is Kokrajhar district, that is in Bodoland Territorial Region. Kokrajhar, Bodoland Territorial Region. So Raimona National Park lies in which district of Assam? That is Kokrajhar, Bodoland Territorial Region of Assam. This is question number 12. Orang National Park is also called. Orang National Park is also called. Orang National Park is also called as what? We have discussed. It is Mini Kaziranga. These questions are very, very important. Mini Kaziranga. So Orang National Park is also called as Mini Kaziranga. Orang National Park is also called as Mini Kaziranga. Next question is, question number 13. Which national park is a haven for migratory birds? Which national park is a haven for migratory birds? Which national park is a haven for migratory birds? That is Dibru-Sikhwa National Park. Dibru-Sikhwa National Park. So, which national park is a haven for migratory birds? Dibru-Sikhwa National Park. And Orang National Park is also known as Mini Kaziranga. Is also known as Mini Kaziranga. And which national park is a haven for migratory birds? That is Dibru-Sikhwa National Park. Next question is question number 14. Dehing Patkai National Park. Dehing Patkai. Sorry. Dihing Patkai was upgraded to was upgraded Dihing Patkai was upgraded to national park status Dihing Patkai was upgraded to national park status in Dihing Patkai was upgraded to national park status in June 9, 2021. In June 9, 2021. In June 9, 2021. So, Dihing Patkai was upgraded to national park status in June 9, 2021. So, remember the date and year of the national park that it was been upgraded to the national park. So, Dihing Patkai National Park has been Dihing Patkai was upgraded to national park in which year? In the year 2021, and in which month? What is the date? On June 9, 2021. Next is, which national park? Which national park includes riverine? Which national park includes riverine and grassland habitats? And grassland grassland habitats. Which national park includes riverine and grassland habitats? Which national park includes riverine and grassland habitats? That is Kaziranga National Park. It is Kaziranga National Park. So, which national park includes riverine and grassland habitats? It is Kaziranga National Park. Next is question number 16. Which park is the habitat of the Hulok gibbon? Which park is the habitat of the Hulok gibbon? Which park is the habitat of the Hulok gibbon? That is Kaziranga National Park. Which park is the habitat of the Hulok gibbon? It is Kaziranga National Park. Question number 17. Kaziranga National Park Kaziranga National Park is known to have the highest density of is known to have the highest Kaziranga National Park is known to have the highest density of Kaziranga National Park is known to have the highest density of rhinos. One horn. So Kaziranga National Park is famous for which animal? That is one horn rhinoceros. One horn rhinos. So Kaziranga National Park is known to have the highest density of rhinos. So Kaziranga National Park is known to have the highest density of rhinos, and it is famous for in the Asia. It is one-horned rhinoceros. Next question is question number 18. Which temple in Assam is a major Shakti Pit? Which temple in Assam is a major Which temple in Assam is a major Shakti Pit? Shakti Pit. So, which temple in Assam is a major Shakti Pit? That is Kamakhya temple. Which temple in Assam is a major Shakti Pit? It is Kamakhya temple. And Kamakhya temple is located in which district of Assam? Kamakhya temple is located in which district of Assam? That is Kamrup district. That is Kam. Here the name is Kamakhya. That is Kam. Kamrup district of Assam. Kamrup district of Assam. So Kamakhya temple is located in which district of Assam? That is in Kamrup district of Assam. It is in Kamrup district of Assam. Next question is, where is the world's largest river island located? Where is the world's largest river island? Where is the world's largest river island located? Where is the world's largest river island located? Where is the world's largest river island located? So where is the world's largest river island located? The world's largest river island located in the, it is in Majuli. It is Majuli. So Majuli is the world's largest river island. So where is the world's largest river island located? It is in Majuli. Majuli is the world's largest river island, and it is located in which river? It is located in Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river. So Majuli island is located on Brahmaputra river, and it is the world's largest river island. It is Majuli island. Next question is, which island is known as the smallest inhabited which island is known as the smallest inhabited So which island is known as the smallest inhabited river island in the world? River island in the world. So which island is known as the smallest inhabited river island in the world? That is Umananda Island. That is Umananda Island. Umananda Island. So Umananda Island is the smallest inhabited river island in the world, and world's largest river island is Majuli, and the smallest river island in the world is Umananda Island. Smallest inhabited river island, and it is the world's largest. Majuli is the world's largest river island in the world. Majuli is the world's largest river island. Majuli is the world's largest river island. So Majuli is the world's largest river island, and Umananda is the smallest inhabited river island. Majuli is the largest river island in the world, and Umananda is the smallest inhabited river island in the world. And Umananda Island is also known as Peacock Island. Umanando Island is also known as Peacock Island. Umanando Island is also known as Peacock Island. So here that is the Majuli. Majuli is the world's largest river island, and Umanando is the world's smallest inhabited island. And Umanando Island is also known as Peacock Island. Next question is Umanando Island is located in which river? Umanando Island is located in which river? Umanando Island is located in which river? That is Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river. So let's move to the next question. Question number 22. Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? Sukreshwar temple. Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? It is Shiva, Lord Shiva. It is Lord Shiva. Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? It is Lord Shiva. So the question may also ask that the Sukreshwar temple is located in which state of India? Sukreshwar temple is located in which state of India? That is, it is located in Assam, and it is dedicated to which deity? It is for Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. So Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? That is, किस भगवान के लिए सुक्रेश्वर टेम्पल को डेडिकेट किया गया है? वो है भगवान शिव के लिए. भगवान शिव के लिए वो सुक्रेश्वर टेम्पल डेडिकेट किया गया था. Sukreshwar temple is dedicated to which deity? It is Lord Shiva. Now let's move to the next question. Shivsagar. Shivsagar was the capital of which dynasty? 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 So it is for Ahom. It is for Ahom dynasty. Shivsagar was the capital of Ahom dynasty. Shivsagar was the capital of Ahom dynasty. So, if Ahom dynasty, that is, who was the founder? So, it is who was the founder of Ahom dynasty? Founder of Ahom dynasty. Founder of Ahom dynasty. Who was the founder of Ahom dynasty? That is Chaulang Sukava. Chaulang Sukava. Chaulang Sukava. Chaulang Sukava is the founder of Ahom dynasty. Recently, UNESCO World Heritage Site has been declared as the for mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty, Moidams. It is Moidams. This Moidams. So Moidams, the mound burial of the Ahom dynasty. The mound burial of the Ahom Moidams. The mound burial of the Ahom dynasty. The mound burial of the Ahom dynasty Moidams has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. World Heritage Site in 2024. In 2024. So from Assam, 3 sites has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So 3 important UNESCO World Heritage Sites has been declared from Assam. The first one is Kaziranga, then Manas. These both has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985. UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985, Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park. So the third one is Moidams. So what is Moidam? The mound burial of the Ahom dynasty. The mound burial of the Ahom dynasty. In ancient history, what we have studied? The mound of the dead. Which place is known as the mound of the dead? From the Harappan civilization, it is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is known as the mound of the dead. Like that, Moidams. Moidams is the mound burial of the Ahom dynasty. And this place has been declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 2024. UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 2024. And Moidam, it is the 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site of India. So let's move to the next question, question number 24. The Ranghar. The Ranghar is also known as the Ranghar is also known as the Ranghar is also known as the Royal Pavilion. The Royal Pavilion. The Ranghar is also known as the Royal Pavilion. The Ranghar is also known as Royal Pavilion because why the name of the place is named as Ranghar? Because on this place, in this place, the first Rangali Bihu has been celebrated by the Ahom dynasty. Rangali Bihu has been celebrated in this place, Ranghar, and it is known as the Royal Pavilion. That's why it is known as the Royal Pavilion, because in this place, the Rangali Bihu has been celebrated. Rangali Bihu has been celebrated by the Ahom dynasty. By Ahom dynasty in the year 1748. Year about 1748. So Ranghar is also known as Royal Pavilion. And Ranghar has been built by which king? Name of the king is King Rudra Singha. Rudra Singha. Rudra Singha. So Ranghar is also known as the Royal Pavilion because in this place the Royal Bihu has been celebrated first time by the Ahom dynasty, and by in which reign? Who was the king at during this period of time? It was the king Rudra Singha in the year 1748. So that's all from today's class. So thank you all and have a nice day. So we will continue the next part of this section in the next class. So that's all from this. So thank you all and have a nice day.